Looking to make the most of every dollar you earn and take control of your financial future? Increasing your income isn't just about working harder. It's about working smarter. With a few strategic changes to your lifestyle, mindset, and money habits, you can boost your earnings, grow your wealth, and build a stronger, more secure financial foundation. In this video, I'll show you practical ways to increase your income, invest wisely, and cut unnecessary expenses so you can maximize every paycheck and reach your financial goals faster. Generating extra income. Ask your employer for a raise if your performance, effort, and contributions show you deserve it. Prepare by gathering specific examples of your achievements, highlighting how you've added value to the company, and approaching the conversation confidently and professionally. Increase your income by taking on freelance or part-time work alongside your main job. This can include odd jobs for friends or family, or using skills like driving to deliver cars, provide rides, or take on other weekend gigs. Every extra dollar adds up and helps strengthen your financial foundation. Start a side business by turning your skills like gardening, landscaping, or freelance work into a viable venture. Keep your current job while building it, since running a business takes time, effort, and some investment. Investing your money. Create passive income through investments that require little ongoing effort, like royalties, business partnerships, or rental properties. Consider teaming up with a partner to invest in multifamily rentals, which can provide substantial supplemental income. Invest in stocks and bonds to grow your wealth. Stocks give you partial ownership in a company, while bonds are loans that pay interest over time. You can invest directly or through mutual funds. Generally, younger investors benefit from more stocks for growth, while bonds provide stability as you get older. Consult a financial advisor to find the right balance, and be cautious with volatile assets like real estate or gold. Consider investing in penny stocks, which are low-priced shares of small companies. They can offer short-term gains, but are risky and harder to trade. Research companies carefully, monitor your stocks closely, and beware of scams like pump-and-dump schemes. And cutting down on expenses. Look for ways to reduce your rent and living expenses. Even small cuts like trimming your internet, cell phone, or grocery bills can free up extra cash each month. Every little saving adds up over time, so focus on stacking your savings to build a bigger financial cushion. Embracing a frugal lifestyle and spending only on what's necessary can make a real difference in boosting your income and reaching your goals. Cut transportation costs by biking or walking instead of driving. Cars can be one of the biggest expenses, from gas and maintenance to insurance. A one-time investment in a good bike, anywhere from $500 to $1,000, can provide reliable, long-term transportation and save you money every month. The cash you'd spend on gas can instead be redirected towards boosting your savings or overall income. Cut down on food expenses by avoiding eating out. On average, most U.S. households spend nearly 13% of their income on food each year. Save money by cooking your own meals at home and limiting dining out to special occasions. There are plenty of budget-friendly recipes and quick meal ideas online or in cookbooks that make it easy to eat well without breaking the bank. Save money on entertainment by choosing free leisure activities. Explore your city for free events, go for hikes or walks, visit local street fairs, or enjoy any activity that doesn't cost a dime. Fun doesn't have to come with a price tag. Get creative and make the most of what's around you. Adopt a do-it-yourself lifestyle to save money and gain valuable skills. Handle home repairs, maintain your car, or even fix your bike yourself by following online tutorials. Becoming your own handyman not only cuts costs, but also gives you the confidence to tackle tasks without relying on paid services. Thanks for watching.